Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video we'll check if the DLC will be available in Season Pass. Avatar's Frontiers of Pandora From the Ashes is going to come out on 90th of December this year. The DLC will be coordinated with the cinema premiere. It will be also available in the Ubisoft Plus Premium subscription, which means that you can buy it for free, play it for free if you've got this subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.